Compared with traditional robot welding, the welding preparation time has been reduced by over 80%. 2025 Chinese collaborative welding robot brand shipment volume leaderboard. In 2025, Fireno's annual delivery volume surpassed 13,000 units, with welding applications making up 30% and 1/3 of customers opting to equip Huiguang Smart Tool to achieve even greater efficiency enhancements. Our products hold numerous international certifications and are highly trusted by customers worldwide.